Hi guys, welcome to our channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can apply or use Verizon gift card to my account. So to add a Verizon gift card as a payment option for your mobile bill through my Verizon application, so you just need to go to your payment options, then choose an amount to pay. So pay in full, pay another amount, or make a split arrangement, and choose continue, then choose add or edit payment method, then select gift card and click add method. Follow the prompts here. So then when the gift card is added, you can select it as a payment option for your bill. So you have to enter that gift card number, that are code actually, to apply your gift card to your bill by phone call. You can just dial this from your mobile phone, or you can dial this number from any phone. So it will allow you to add your gift card code. Then you enter your gift card code, and it will immediately add your gift card as a payment method that you can use to pay on your mobile bill on Verizon. So here you can see, I'm going to show you the screenshot. Here you'll find the gift card option here, so you can just go with the gift card option. So if you find it restricted just like this, that's mean you don't have the eligibility to use the gift card. And the question is, how you can just get the eligibility legibility for using this gift card. So you just need to use Verizon for a certain time, for a certain period, and you have to get a certain actually the certain amount of transactions, so it can open the gift card option. So just like here, you can just also contact with Verizon customer support about, or you can ask a question to the representative about this issue, so they can just clear you about this issue, why your account is not eligible for using gift card. So hope you got this. If so, then give us a thumbs up, leave a comment below, and thanks for watching. Till next time.